Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in the world of air conditioners, the Frigidaire 8000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner. If you're in the market for something powerful yet smart, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about why this AC unit stands out. The Frigidaire 8000 BTU model is designed for rooms up to 350 square feet, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, and smaller living spaces. It packs a punch with its cooling power, ensuring you stay comfortable even on the hottest days. What really sets this unit apart is its smart functionality. It's Wi-Fi connected, allowing you to control it from anywhere using the Frigidaire app. You can turn it on or off, adjust temperatures, customize schedules, and even tweak fan speeds all from your smartphone. It's like having your own personal climate control system at your fingertips. Setting it up is a breeze too. The installation process is straightforward, and once it's in place, maintaining it is a snap thanks to the easy-to-clean washable dust filter. Plus, it operates quietly in the background, so you can enjoy a cool environment without the noise disruption. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency. While this model isn't ENERGY STAR certified, it still offers solid performance without breaking the bank on your electricity bill. For those conscious about energy consumption, it's a balance between power and efficiency that's hard to beat. Speaking of performance, users rave about the comfort it provides, giving it high marks for cooling effectiveness and ease of operation. It's no wonder it's an Amazon's choice in the window air conditioner category. Now, how does it stack up against the competition? Well, in terms of features per dollar, this Frigidaire model holds its own. While there are other options out there, few combine this level of smart functionality with such a reasonable price point. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best 8000 BTU air conditioner for your space, especially one that's smart, efficient, and easy to use, the Frigidaire 8000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner should definitely be on your list. It strikes a perfect balance between performance and convenience, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable year-round. If you want to learn more or snag one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.